Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create client list in Clickup. So first thing is just simply go to your Clickup dashboard, and after that guys, just simply go to the projects over here, and after that you could just simply select these three dots over here, and after that you could just simply go for the templates over here on the drop down and go for the browse templates and just simply click on this one. And now from here guys, you could just simply use the search bar at the top over here and just simply search for client, and now you will have multiple templates over here by ClickUp, and you will have here the support, sales and CRM, operations, and other. So from here guys, you could just simply select one based on your own use and just simply click on quick use over here at the top, and after that just simply wait for the ClickUp to create it. And after that guys, you will have the template over here, and you could just simply select one of their templates. As you can see, we should be able to have a pre-made template, and you could just simply edit it based on your own personal preferences. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.